How do you make your brand more memorable so that when a potential client or customer thinks of a product or service in your category, they instantly think of you? I'm Maya from Maja Creative, and here's my latest tip to help you build a more meaningful, memorable, and successful brand. Okay, so the first thing you need to know is you need to understand how our brains create memories. Basically, our brains create folders of memories and experiences. When someone is interacting with your brand, if they like the experience, they will store that memory in a new folder. The brain literally creates a folder of your brand. The next time someone interacts with your brand, if the experience is similar, they will store the same information in that folder. So let's say in my case, it's the Maja Creative folder. The idea is you build up a bank of memories. The best way to help your potential clients and customers build up a bank of favorable memories about your brand is to be clear and consistent across every single touch point. Make sure that anytime someone is interacting with your brand, their experience is similar and familiar. You can do this through the look and feel of your brand, you can do this through your messaging, and you need to apply it to every potential touch point that a client has with your business. So your website, your social media, your business cards, and your brochures all need to be the same. When you're consistent with your brand, you become credible. When you become credible, you become trustworthy. When you're repetitive with your brand, you become familiar. And when you're familiar, you become memorable. When you have this unique combination, guess what? Your brand becomes the least risky option because you're credible, you're trustworthy, and you're familiar. When your potential client or customer is at that point where they need something, they need a product or service from your category, when you've done everything right, they don't even realize it, but they recall all those memories about your brand, and that's when they're more likely to choose you. Not based on price, but based on the memories of the experiences that they've had with your brand. My final tip for being memorable is to be different. You need to be creative and different in your category. You don't want your brand to look like everyone else's brand in the same category because you don't want your potential clients or customers to be filing your brand along with all the other brands. So make sure that you stand out from the crowd and create a brand that's really unique. Thanks for tuning in. I hope this branding tip was really useful to you. If you loved this video, please share the love with your business friends. Bye for now, Maya from Maja Creative.